Okay, so we're going to go ahead and graph this using our calculators. I know I've been putting the graphs on the generic graphs on the screencasting. I just wanted to give you one where you see how to work with the calculator in the example. So we have the square root. So my y1 and y2 are going to be the left and right side of the equation. So if we go ahead and take the square root, so second x squared of x minus 4, and then we're going to graph x minus 10. And then we're going to go ahead and graph this. And we'll see our radical function here. And notice it's far off to the right of the window. So in order to adjust that, I hit the window button, which you can see right here. And the options that I have, my x min, that's all the way to the left. X max is all the way to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and let's say I didn't know what the solution was. I'm going to change it to 20. I know I'm not seeing enough to the right. So I changed that and I'm going to just kind of a little bit of guess and check. And hey, now I see the solution. And so I want to know when the radical function is greater than the line. So one other thing that we can do depending on the calculator is we can change the thickness of graphs. So let's say you weren't sure that the curved one. I arrowed over all the way to this little backslash here. If I hit enter once, notice how it thickens the graph. If you have one of the newer color ones, it automatically differentiates between the two with color. So we get a little thicker graph, and we see right here. So now what I can do is I can confirm by looking at this graph, when is the thicker one greater than the line? And so it's all the way from the 0, so this value is 4, to right here, which is our solution. We can find that by hitting second calc, and I'm going to go for intersect. Hit enter, and you can see that I'm on my radical function. Doesn't matter where we're at, just hit enter. Oh, I think I hit the wrong one here. So second calc, go to intersect. First curve, hit enter. Second curve, hit enter. And it was 13, which is our solution that we received. So at 13 is when the line becomes greater than, or right after 13 is when it becomes bigger. So I know from this point all the way to here, I see the radical function is larger, has greater y values than the line. And so by looking at the graph, that confirms my domain that I found as well as the solution where the two lines cross.